Hi, this is Alan Espinosa. I'm the past developer here in Tokyo, and I'm here to present my Docker Global Hackday entry. For today, I will present my write-up that's in my blog entitled Running Distributed Fortran Applications in Docker. So I'll show my blog to describe the presentation. So I will present how to run Fortran applications uh, in Docker, and this behind the scenes it will implement the over the MPIC. It's a message passing interface to send computation processes to one another. So each Docker container will talk to each other to do computation. For my Global Hackday demo, to run MPIC on Docker, I will be computing the value of pi using Monte Carlo computation technique. So basically, the Monte Carlo pi is basically it will uh, uh, install dots in a random number across a unit square, and then check if it's less than the circle inside, and mark it red, and if it's outside, mark it green. This is a typical textbook MPI Fortran code that you can see in my GitHub page. So here you basically have random number generation for X, Y, and Z, and check if it falls inside the unit circle or outside the unit circle. And then after that, it will send the data to the collecting processes. So and then add them up. So inside the architecture in MPI, you'll have a what we call a launcher node to collect the results of the computation, and then it will launch proxy executables in the compute nodes to run the actual Pi computation. So here is my demonstration using Jenkins. So I pre-provisioned applications that will run the computation. So here I will launch the launch node. And then I will show it on the other side. So here in the Jenkins run, we have Docker running, the launch node MPI process. So it will run on 3 processes, and it will run this binary over 3 processes. So now it's waiting for these 3 compute nodes to connect to it. 1, 2, 3. So here on the other side, I will launch compute nodes independently. 1, 2. And then once the third node connects, the computation will start and compute the value of pi. So it will have the first process, 0th process, second process, and then it collected all the value of pi as 3.14. So there you have it. So the advantage of running Fortran programs on Docker is that you can have containerized reproducible builds of your applications, whether you want MPI to be compiled over GNU-C or the Intel compilers, so that when you roll out your supercomputing centers, uh, you have a consistent and reproducible builds, like in science where you should have scientific builds. That's it.